In this figure, in this sketch, we have two circles of 55 dia and 90 dia. Let me draw these two circles first. Go for new object, sketch, and give the name as SK7 and just go for OK. I'm drawing two circles. "55" enter, and other one as 90, 55 and 90, and we have horizontal and vertical axis and an inclined axis of 30 degrees. Select the axis line horizontally and vertically and incline. Let me draw one side so that the other side I can just mirror it. Select this axis and the other axis, mouse middle wheel, 30, enter, just go for OK. See here, on this axis line we have two circles with a distance of 60. The inside one we have 4 holes, the first, second, third and 4 holes of 20 dia. On this inside we have 20 dia, and select the distance, incline from this center point to other center point, 60, enter, and afterwards the outer circle we have 18 as radius. Draw the circle and draw the circle. Since defaultly we get the diameter value, let me go for dimension box. Select the circle, mouse middle wheel, 18, enter, OK. "90, 55, 18, enter, and after this we have an fillet of 14 radius. Select the fillet, this circle and other circle, just go for OK. Double click and give the value as 14. After this we have an lines with 8 as distance. Let me draw the lines parallel to this axis line, parallel. Let me give the distance. Totally we have 8, so 4, enter, double click, 4, enter. Now select this one side totally, the circle with the help of the control key, the inside one, fillet, this one and this one, just go for mirror and select the axis. After this we have center where fillet of 17 radius, just go for fillet, select this circle and the other circle, radius of 17, double click and give the value as 17 and just go for trim the extra part. And whatever we have on top we can just mirror out the downwards. Now select this top whole thing and just go for mirror, select the axis, OK, and afterwards here we have a line of 8, draw the line from here to here, again a line from here to here, and give the dimensions from this line to here, mouse middle wheel, 4 enter, again select this line to 4 enter. Just you can just select this both with the help of the control key. The other one, just go for OK, this one, and mirror, select the axis. If you want to off this constraints and everything, just close this constraints box and everything. You can see the actual figure clearly. This finishes our 7th sketch, and you can just on this. File, save, just go for OK.